All right, so following yesterday's video, I made a video talking about, I believe, NASDAQ market and BTC was a little bit more on the overbought side. They were at all-time highs. Again, I've been wrong many times. I'm not going to pretend like, I told you, right? Obviously, we are seeing a lot of selling pressure with BTC. We're down about 4.6% just on the given day. We went from highs of 68,000 all the way down to about 62,700. NASDAQ market is slightly in the red, but again, these are the cycles that the market goes through. Anytime that the market hits like all-time highs, it's to be expected that the market's going to curl on over and pull on back. It does this every single time. It rallies, it finds its resistance, it pulls on back. It rallies, it finds its resistance, it pulls on back, right? These are market patterns, market cycles. These happen all the time. It's not like the market's crashing. We're not that lucky just yet. But yeah, market's pulling on back. I see if we break below the current support range of $444 for QQQ, we definitely have more downside potential, right? We have the option to go all the way down to $440 and then previous lows of 435. So do understand that there is some selling pressure. We'll see if any of it follows. It is Friday, so going into the weekend, I want to see what the market sentiment is. Are we going to react in a positive or negative way based off of what Jerome Powell has said through the Federal Reserve? I also wanted to talk about one specific stock that was brought up to me during my live trading session. I can make a more detailed video later down the road, but it's Lulu. Lulu is down 18.55% on the day. I know a lot of people like to short these actively bearish stocks. Just be very careful as it could find its support at any given time. It's already down about 18, almost 20%, but it was previously bullish, hit highs of 516, and then pulled on back because it reported earnings yesterday. So when you look at it on the 1 minute time frame, it is extremely bearish. Very easy to see this strong descending pattern, lower highs, lower lows, and again, a consistent descending pattern. Is this a dip buy opportunity for some of you, or is this something that you continue just to want to short because you see more downside potential? You can have the conversation with yourself because, again, this is something that now you're aware of, and you can choose to trade it however it is that you please. The last thing that I wanted to talk about, and again, we can make another video about it, is Reddit. Reddit ended up releasing their IPO. I would be very, very careful feeding into the hype about any IPO stock, especially something like Reddit. The first few days are always very volatile, but it's trying to establish its lows, its highs for the day, and we don't know which direction it's going to end up choosing. As of right now, Reddit's not a strong performing stock based off of where it opened at and where it closed at, but it has a common support range so far of right around $45 a share and a common resistance range of right around $51 a share. So again, there's no major economic reports that were released today. It looks like market sentiment and market movement is relatively pretty low. If you look at the NASDAQ market, we're finding a support right around $440 and a common resistance range right around 446. I hope that we either break above or below, and in all honesty, I hope that we break below and begin to see some of that selling pressure, and hopefully that follows through with Bitcoin as well, because I would love to short more of this market as the market did sell off yesterday shortly after making my video, but it happened in the later hours. I normally am not the biggest fan. I don't know if it's just me. I'm not the biggest fan of aggressively trading during the later hours of the day, as they tend to be slower. So when activity like that or opportunity like that does end up presenting itself, I'm still grateful for it. It's just I'm normally less aggressive or less willing to take advantage of those opportunities, and that's exactly what I told my LPP team. So again, I appreciate your time. I want to remind you that, again, these cycles happen with the market all the time, of these overbought and oversold levels. We talk about them all the time within our live trading session, and I would love to invite you. If you feel like you are struggling to kind of stay in tune with the market and you think that it would be of value for you to be able to watch my live sessions, I want to invite you. It's the second link in the description down below. It's 50% off right now, and it's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and you'll be able to watch me trade live every single day right when the market opens. So if you want to tune on in, second link in the description down below, and don't forget to enter our Corvette giveaway. We just announced and revealed the new car. That's the fourth link in the description down below, and one of you is going to be winning the keys next month. So again, all it takes is one lucky entry. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.